Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and I just walked in the door and I thought I'm gonna go ahead and film a real life Walmart haul video. I went out this morning and did some Father's Day shopping, and then I stopped by Walmart on my way home and actually took my time. It's Saturday, so I took my time, had a buggy, and went around the whole store. I actually needed a planner. I didn't find one I liked, but I did get a few things, including my steaks. So I thought I would just show you what I got. One thing that made me think about this is when I was in Walmart, I saw this dress in the store. They actually had it in a couple of different stripes. I'm looking for my phone and I'm using it. So they do still have these dresses in the store. I love it, love it. Just a perfect, soft, forgiving. It's ribbed, and I think with the stripes it kind of helps just a little bit. And then I have on these wedges, and I believe I have seen that these are a version of these they have at Walmart. I think it's still Steve Madden or Steven or something like that. So if they do, I will put them down below. And I was carrying my new bag. I love this, and I think it looks so good with so many different little things. So easy to throw things in. So that was something else that I wanted to show you. And then let's get started. I will try not to forget one thing I put in the refrigerator. Okay, so I usually make my dad a little goodie assortment because he will never tell me what he wants. And I've already bought him so many pairs of sunglasses. I buy him stuff all the time. Matter of fact, I bought him a pillow and I couldn't wait to give it to him. I went ahead and gave it to him. So I wanted to buy a few little things to put in his goodie basket. So I got him some candy, and I always bring him peanut M&Ms. And then I saw this. I don't know if he'll get this or if I'll end up giving it to one of the kids, but I just saw it and it looked so daggone good. I had to get it for somebody. But it's the salted caramel Twix. Doesn't get any better than that, does it? Okay, I got one of my favorite beauty blender type things. I love this thing. Now I will say it's biodegradable. It's made by EcoTools. And I'll go ahead and open it so I can show you. I find that it does kind of start deteriorating a little bit, but it's not expensive. And that happens after you've used it, gosh, at least a month or more. So I just get another one because it's worth it. It just has the perfect, I've had this makeup on now. Let's see, what time is it now? 1:23. I left here at 9:30. John was going to play golf and I left before he did, actually. So love this, got that. And then this is a random thing, but I'm gonna try this. I do not want to have toilet bowl brushes and all of that stuff in my bathrooms. Not even if they're pretty. I just like them being very open, easy to clean. So I thought I would try these. I've never tried any of these kind of throwaway brushes, but I thought what I would do is, put one on, go do all the toilets, and then, throw it away. It says it's septic safe and biodegradable. So that's something that I wanted to try. The receipt. I'll start a trash bag here. Okay, this comes the fun bag. Okay, this year, I don't know, I feel different towards bathing suits. Last year, I bought all these expensive, fancy bathing suits that have crisscrossy this, and I don't know, I just am not feeling it this year. This year, I just have been wanting something simple. The other day, I wore a one-piece and it was so hot. And when I went to the bathroom, it just did not feel good to take that down and put that back on. It was wet. I was sweating under here. I just am not a one-piece person. Like the one I showed you with the tiger, I really bought that to wear with pink pants. So I was looking at the bathing suits and I saw this one. And I just thought it was so daggone funky. It is like this, I'm pretty sure you can see it. It's like this velour type material. And I usually size up in bathing suits. So this is a medium because I do not like them digging in my sides, and you know, I just don't like them tight. So I thought I would just give it a try. It's called Love and Sports by Stacy and Michelle. Okay, so they make fitness, I see. And it says this is classic coverage, which is what I like. So I got that, and then this is the top. And I'm gonna take the pads out. Yeah, I was gonna say, I hope you can. Just because, I mean, sometimes I think the pads are good, but I don't like push up. So sometimes it just makes them push up. But, so let's take the pads out. I'm gonna try to go to the pool for a little bit, so maybe I'll try this on. But, oh, that color, the color is gorgeous. So, okay, and this, speaking of the color, I will put a picture right in here because I got this set in the mail the day, Chanel's over there scratching on the scratching pad if you hear her. I got it in the mail the day I did my last Walmart try-on haul, and I really wanted to include it with my little nighties, but it wasn't here. So I took a picture, so I'll put it right in here. Well, when I went, I was looking all in the little jammy section, and they had this color. Oh gosh. Okay, these are so cute. John, very John approved. Oh my goodness. I don't know how this happened, but they're little, like a little camisole. And can you see how pretty the fabric is? It's real light. And then the little shorts that go with it. Oh my gosh, so cute, so cute. And I just love this color. And I did get the small, and it's my favorite brand, Secret Treasures. So I'll hang that back here. Then I saw the bathing suit that I ordered for John and got it too big. Well, they didn't have the medium in that one, but they had the small in this one. So I got this for Will. Is that not so pretty? And a lot of you felt like I do with the short shorts for men. I think these are perfect. Oh, he's gonna love those. At the knee is where these come. And they're board shorts, quick dry. And I love that color combination, especially for Will. I mean, I don't know, it might even be a little bright for Will's typical, but I don't know, ever since he was a baby, I've loved him in like coral and orange. So I decided he'll like that. Then I saw the tank tops for $4, and I grabbed this little pink one. I like tank tops like this that you can still wear a normal bra with, and I like tank tops like this with a skirt, like a silky, like a slip skirt. I think that is just such a cool look, especially for summer. Right after I had Will, that's what I wore the whole summer, is I had tank tops and I had like 5 skirts, little A-line silky skirts, and I wore that every day. It was just something easy to put on, but I still felt good. Okay, this was a weak moment. Let me go get the scissors. Okay, I went over to the handbag section because I wanted to see if that bag that I've been wanting to get just happened to be at the store. It said it wasn't online, but I wanted to check and see, and I will put a picture of it right here. And it wasn't, but I saw that they had the Steve Madden NYC sunglasses, and these were on, you know, the rollback or discounted. I don't know, they might have been like $10, and I tried them on and I liked them. I think they're pretty cool. I like this kind of look. Like you guys know, I love oversized, I love aviators. I don't know if there's a pair of sunglasses or a shape that I don't like, but I especially like these, just, I don't know, in certain situations, and they're good ones to do this with. So I think that was pretty good. Okay, they were regularly $16, and I think I got them for $12. So if you're like me and you have a skinny nose and you're always worried about sunglasses touching your cheeks, these do not touch my cheeks, and I think they are pretty cool looking. So I don't know, I don't regret that now. Then my detergent. Oh, I go back and forth whether I like the liquid detergent or if I like these little fling-in things, but most of the time I get these. And this one has the Oxy Boost Febreze, and I like the original scent. But Gain, I used to get the Free and Clear, but I just find that it doesn't clean quite as much. And John and Brooke are the worst, which Brooke moved out, but somehow I seem to still be getting some of her dirty clothes in the basket. But both of them get stuff on their clothes. Will and I both, the worst thing I do is get makeup on my clothes, like on the collar, like if I'm wearing a body bronzer or something like that. But typically I don't have any stains, but they do. Okay, one of my subscribers told me to try this lip combo. I have now gone to 3 stores to find the other color and cannot find it, but I will tell you what it is. And then she said to layer it with this. This is a classic. You probably have this in your drawer. It is the Revlon, let me open it. It is Skyline Pink. So she said to get this, which is a light pink. This is a good one. This one and Silver City, is it Silver City Pink and Silver City Red? Those are just good ones. But she said to mix it with, oh my goodness, it's on my phone, but I'm pretty sure it's Maybelline Bare Reveal. I will list it down below because I'm just gonna order it. But she said that combination is the perfect, like I was talking about, just that beigey pink color that you get when you mix 2 colors like this. So I've got 1/2 of that. Okay, now let me get my food. Just one little quick thing to show you. Okay, this is my ribeye steaks. And you know, anytime John and I can look to see if they have any, we do, because they sell out fast because they are so good, you guys. And if I, like sometimes if I go and get like, you know, 5 or 6 packs, I try not to get all of them, and I pick out the fattiest ones, which I know a lot of people are there looking for the leanest ones, so that doesn't bother me. Like today I left 2 lean packs, but they do freeze well and they thaw out really quick because they're so thin. But this is what I eat every night. Every night except for Sunday night when I eat with my parents. But otherwise, this is what I eat every night. And it is so good, and I crave it, and I love it every night. I don't know if it'll always be that way, but I look forward to this. We cook it on our Blackstone grill. Now, when John was out of town on his golf trip, I thought I was gonna be Miss Fasty, and I was gonna cook this on the stove, just in a normal pan, like a non-stick type pan. It was not as good. The fat does not cook in the pan like it does on the grill. When he brings these inside, all this fat in here it will almost be falling apart because the fat has kind of, I hate to say cooked away, but it's just not globby fat. It is delicious, delicious. And when you are eating carnivore like me, you need the fat. The fat is what keeps you full, and the fat keeps you from having cravings because you are so satisfied. Now let me show you. So here's the 2 I picked out. I always look for not only fat around the edges, but see how it's got the marbling on the inside. So yum yum, these are gonna be good. And it says total weight is like 0.85 pounds, and this one is right at 1 pound. And I was listening to a girl that has done carnivore for, I think it's either 13 or 15 years, and she eats a pound of meat usually twice a day. So that's about, you know, by the time this cooks up, it is not this big. It's, you know, and plus they're thin. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna go put this bathing suit on and I'll come right back. Okay, here we go. I think it's pretty. I love it, love it, love it. And I think it's perfect, fits perfectly, and I love the color. So I hope that I can find this online for you to get, or if you don't like it, maybe get it for someone you like, because it's very, very unique. I think it's very cool, and I'm very glad I got the medium, because see, I don't like any squishing out of here or here. So love it, and it'll be interesting. I don't always get in the pool, so I don't know if I will with this one. I really wanted to go today, but it's looking like it's cloudy. I'll have to look at the weather. So I forgot to say this in the front of the video, but this video is in collaboration with Walmart. I'm a Walmart partner, and I'm gonna ask you on Instagram whether you would like to see this or a Walmart makeup get ready with me. And whatever you choose is whatever I'll post. So if I post this, that means that you chose this. If you don't, then I will just scrap it, and I will see you Monday with a get ready with me. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions below, let me know, and I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye.